Hi, it's Miss Austin, and I'm here to help give you a how-to for logging into Google Classroom our very first time. You only will need to do this one time. So once we get that going, you will be ready to go. So if you got the email, you can click on this Classlink icon picture and it'll take you exactly where you need to go. But if you didn't, I'm going to show you another way that you can get there. So you'll go to www.fortworthisd.org right here. Click on it, Fort Worth ISD homepage. And then I just scroll down to My Fort Worth ISD Classlink and click on that. You will sign in. If you have not created your new password for the 2021 school year, you will need to do that first. So you'll sign in with your Microsoft, and this will be the student, the lunch number, whatever that is, and then continue on with that. But I'm going to sign in with my credentials. Okay. I'm going to hit next, enter my password. Yeah, we can stay signed in. I'll be here all the time. And then you get to this Classlink page, and this is where you are going to find everything that we need. So we are working on signing into Google Classroom. So you will have to come to find Google Classroom. It may be over here. Yours may be on the top row. It just depends on where yours is at, okay? So it's this Google Classroom. Click on it. And we are wanting to join a class. So since I'm a teacher, I already have things going. But what I want you to focus on is this plus sign here. This plus sign in this corner, top corner, is super, super important. So it says click, if you hover over it, it says click or join a class, and you want to do that. We want to join class. Okay, this is, make sure it's signed in as the right student, and then the class code. And I sent out an email for the class code, so I'm going to find it right here. And I am going to, let me write it down just so that I have it whenever I go back to that page. Let me get something to write with. RXKM2G6. Okay? Super, super important. So I'm going to go back to signing in. RXKM2G6. Once that's in, I'm going to click join. Okay? Once you click join, you are in, ready to go. So I'm going to join. Since I'm a teacher, I can't do it. But from there, you will see that this is on your screen, Austin First Grade. This is the one that you want. You're going to click on it. This is where you will see all the assignments posted. You can see what's upcoming, what is due. This I just have in there. I'm not expecting anybody to do that yet. So, and you will also see, if you go back to this is the class, this is the code that you typed in, and this is the meet link. On Tuesday at 8:15, you will click on this link, and it will take you to the Google Meet. So you'll want to allow your camera and make sure your microphone is on, camera is on, and you will hit join now. You cannot join until I join the meeting, till I start the meeting. So if you get there early before I do, then you won't be able to join. But just hold tight, wait, I'll get there. So you'll click join now and it will be ready to go, okay? This is just our personalized code, good to go. And then you will be able to be in on the lessons, okay? I hope that was real simple for you all. If you have questions, please give me a call. Give me a text. I'll help you out. Also, if you would like to go ahead and do this, some other classes that you'll need to join for your first grade student is art, music, and PE. Okay, and you'll just repeat the steps. You'll already be in Google Classroom. You'll have to hit that plus sign, type in the code, and the codes are down here. Okay, and then once you've got that, you're in their classrooms, ready to go. All right, I hope this was easy. Again, reach out. I am here to help you if you need. So, have a happy Sunday, and remember, no school tomorrow. It is Labor Day. I'll see you on